Well, I've been sorting out my garage and I found a whole load of model aircraft stuff. Now what we've got here, I don't really know what a lot of the stuff is. A load of piping, some sort of battery, I don't know if it works or not. There's an engine. I'm not sure what model it is. It's got no, I don't know I haven't tested that one for compression because it's missing its nose cone, so I can't turn it over. It's a nice big engine here. It's an SC, I don't know what model. Got a propeller, and this one's got good compression. I've never tested it, and of course it's covered with grime and the like, but I reckon that one will work okay. I've got a collection of various wheels, some brochures. There's an aerosol of fuel proofer, feels new, a bit of PVA glue. I don't know if that's probably gone off that. There's a little oiler. We've got some control cables. In there, scalpels and needles and things, catalyst powder, I don't know what that's for. Also cement, they're still soft, so they're good. I don't know what that is, some sort of a specialist spanner or something. Special hinges, some sort of brass bushes, bearings, and here we've got an interesting thing. It's a fuel pump. I think that's the fuel pump for filling up the engine. I haven't tried it. There's the connector. So there we have a whole collection of stuff. Oh, what we've got here? I don't know what that's for. Fusion or something. So there's the collection. Empty box. That's for one of the engines. And there's the whole collection. Maybe it's the sort of thing you'd be interested in. I don't think I'll ever use it. I don't even know how I came by it. Must have been one of the kids' stuff, but they're not interested in it anymore. So there we have it.